So here it is, all done and dusted, all come off. Welcome back to the channel, Tesla UK. So you can see all the bits on there. Thinking looks quite good. It'd be great to have your feedback on what do you think to do the wheels. I have got some 20s on order, but I actually generally like them without them. I was going to take the disc covers off, but actually I quite like them. I think it blends in quite nice. I like the chrome, not too much, adds a little bit more detail. I like the splitter at the front as well. What do you think? What's your opinion? Change the wheels, keep the wheels? Be great to know. So this is the Aero body kit, had professionally done in London. I think they've done a really great job. Couldn't be more pleased if I tried. So yeah, tell me what your comments are. Let me know what you think. Do I change the alloys? Would you sort of think that you would get done? Makes it different, stand out from the crowd. There's a lot of Tesla Model 3s out there. Sometimes it's nice to have something a little bit different. The car's different, so why not make it a little bit more special? Anyway, let me know what you think.